Museum today for the 2020 Vision TranAm preview. TranAm is the UK distributor of Raka, Schuberth, Daytona, Segura and many other brands, and they brought us here today to enjoy this James Bond car. We're here today amongst these pretty cool cars, showing the new collection to the UK dealers. Instead of showing it on hangers, we're doing a little fashion show where we, the models or walking mannequins, are actually wearing the clothing. This is the first time we're trying this, and so far it's been received really well. Good morning, we're in the British Motor Museum today for the 2020. Good morning, we're in the British. Good morning, we're in the British Museum. That's what we're doing. To try all over for the 2020 Vision. Good morning, we're in the British. Good morning, we're in the British Motor Museum today for the 2020 Vision TranAm preview. TranAm is the UK distributor of Raka, Daytona, Segura and many other brands, and they brought us here today to enjoy this James Bond car, this return.